Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to recover your hacked Facebook account. So as you can see here, it says your Facebook account was suspended because your Instagram account with the username that is there does not follow our rules. Then you may also see something like, I just want to show you another version of it. You may see something like this. Your Facebook account was suspended because, and you also see that Instagram account they are showing. Normally, when you see something like this, most of the time, they are one of these two options. One, your Instagram account, your Facebook account has been hacked, and the hacker connected an Instagram account to it, and the Instagram account violated their policy. And normally, what they do is they will post nudity and videos that are definitely against Facebook or Instagram policies. So they will suspend the account. When they suspend the account, it will affect your Facebook. Or it could be a genuine Facebook, Instagram account that is owned by you, but you did something on Instagram and they suspended your account, and it by default also or by extension affected your Facebook account. So this is how to solve it. If your account is suspended because your account is hacked, if your Instagram account, if your Facebook account is hacked and the hacker connected an Instagram account to it and did something against Instagram rules and they suspended the account, this is how you should do. You have to first report that your Facebook account is hacked and recover the account. So come and type facebook.com/hacked. Now when you do like this, and then they may connect it to any previous account that is there. In case you see that that account that is there is not yours, just delete it and then delete the details and click on my account is compromised. And they will ask you to show your compromised or hacked account. So you put the email and then click on continue. So now it will ask you to recover it. So let me show you what you should do next. On recover. Now what they will normally say is, you see this one, they are saying go get back on Facebook, try another device to continue. This must be a device you have used to log into this account before. Now they are saying so because I haven't this particular account. This is my computer, but the account is my client account. So in that case, I have to let my client use the account, the device he has logged in before they hacked his account, so that at the end of the day, the Facebook will recognize that he has logged into this account before and then be able to help him recover his account. So that is exactly what he needs to do. If you follow this step-by-step process, it will help you. You'll be able to get back. So if say this particular device had logged into that account before, they would have just allowed me to continue. They will ask me for my email and all those information that is needed to help me recover. So take time, and normally even if you have lost access to the email that was connected, or they have removed your email and put another email there, they will ask you to put an email that they can reach out to you, and they'll be able to help you recover the account. If you follow this step-by-step process and you are not able to recover your account, leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact me for assistance. But that one is a paid service and you will pay for me to do it for you. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.